Hello family and friends, welcome to our channel. At the end of this video, you will understand the signs of toxic relationships and how to avoid them, the benefits of self-awareness, and why you should love yourself first to be able to love another person more and in the right way. 8 signs of a toxic friendship. Number 1, competing with other friends. If you feel like you're always trying to be a better friend than her other friends, that's not good. You shouldn't have to compete for her attention. Number 2, one-sided conversations. When you call her, she talks about her day but doesn't listen to you. If she always has to go when you start talking, it's unfair. Number 3, harsh criticism. It's important to be honest, but being mean is not okay. If she says hurtful things like, "You're too needy," it's more about her issues than yours. Number 4, who contacts who? Do you always text or call her first? If she rarely reaches out to you, it can make you feel like she doesn't care as much as you do. Number 5, she wants you to change. If she always tells you to change but never thinks she has to, that's not right. Friendships should be about accepting each other as you are. Number 6, walking on eggshells. At first, being with her was fun, but now you're always worried about saying the wrong thing. That's a sign something's wrong. Number 7, emotional roller coaster. Sometimes she's super nice, but other times she's mean or ignores you. This up and down makes you feel bad and worried about what's coming next. Number 8, feeling sick from stress. If being her friend makes you feel stressed, tired, or even sick, that's a problem. Good friends should make you feel happy and supported, not stressed out. Here are how self-awareness creates the life you want. Self-awareness means understanding your own thoughts and actions, being yourself, and understanding your self-worth without being arrogant or unreasonable. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses helps you make better choices in life. Benefits of self-awareness. 1, happiness. Knowing yourself helps you feel happier. 2, better choices. Understanding yourself helps you make smarter decisions. 3, improved behavior. You can change bad habits when you know they exist. 4, clear purpose. Knowing what you want helps you live with purpose. 5, life control. Understanding your role in things helps you take control of your life. 6, contentment. Feeling happy with who you are. 7, better decisions helps you handle problems better. 8, quality life. Focus on what makes your life better. 9, trust your gut. Listening to your intuition. 10, self-care helps you take better care of yourself. 11, pursue happiness. Do what makes you happy. 12, preparedness. Better handle life's challenges. 13, better friendships. Communicate better with friends and family. 14, achieve goals. Know what you want and go for it. 15, emotional intelligence. Understand and manage your emotions better. 16, authenticity. Be true to yourself. 17, stronger relationships leads to better friendships. 18, balanced life helps create a well-rounded life. Choosing to be self-aware, even though it can be tough, is important for living a happy and fulfilling life. It helps you understand what you need to improve and what you really want, making your life better overall. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the icon to like our channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe to get notified as soon as we post a new video.